Okay, waiting for all you people to join. Come on, let's do it.
More love.
Nats, can you just stop drinking coffee at least now?
No, waiting for people.
Everybody, all your fans knows that you love coffee. It's enough of promoting coffee now.
Not promoting, I'm drinking. Gaining energy to talk.
Enough of promoting your coffee. So what's up? What's up?
Hey everybody. So we're here to invite you all for our movie tomorrow. Alludu Others.
Yes, as you all know, Alluda this is releasing tomorrow on Jan 14th on the eve of Sankranti. I'm sure you guys will love it because it has a lot of entertainment in it, and I will assure you that you will come out with, from the theater with a big smile on your face and forget all your worries, all your tensions, pressures, everything, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy our movie. And please come and watch Alluda Others in theaters, and I'm sure you guys are gonna have lots of fun. Yes.
Theaters only and theaters only.
Because it's a theatrical experience film. So only enjoy it in theaters.
Yes.
So,
Any questions you guys want to ask?
Yes.
All the best, all the best.
Thank
Hearts,
you. Thank
loves.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Waiting for the movie tomorrow. It's gonna come out
Yes,
tomorrow.
it's gonna come up tomorrow. So Nats, how was working on the film?
Huh?
How was it working on the film?
It was amazing. It was amazing. It was killer. It was damn nice. I loved it. Did you? Did you enjoy?
Of course.
Did you enjoy working with me?
Of course I did.
How much?
Little bit. Just kidding. She was such a sweet person, and she was super energetic on the set, and we had lots of fun shooting for
We
this
did have a
film.
lot of fun.
And it was super fun working with her. As you can see, her energy, you know, she was always flowing on the set, and she was always bringing that energy to the set, and it was great working
I was
with
just
her.
carrying it from him.
Really?
Yes.
But initially, I was driving it from you.
Hey, please.
I was always drawing the energy from you.
No, we've probably kind of drawn each other.
All the best,
You know.
guys. Thank you.
So many hearts, so many likes. So much love. కొంచెం
మాట్లాడండి.
ఏం మాట్లాడాలి?
మీరు ఎవరు nobody is asking the questions.
ఏదైనా అడగండి మీరు అల్లుడు అతని గురించి. We have to actually go and scroll up and kind of see your. Yeah, now we can actually start. Otherwise, we were just looking at ourselves.
Oh, that is the thing. Telugulo మాట్లాడండి. Love you guys more.
We decided to come live suddenly and we just came off. So.
బెల్లమ్మన టికెట్ ప్రైస్ పెంచేశారన్న. నో వే, టికెట్ ప్రైసెస్ ఏం పెరగలేదు బ్రదర్. ప్లీజ్ తప్పకుండా మిమ్మల్ని అందరూ అలరిస్తుంది. టికెట్స్ ప్రైస్ పెరిగినా పెరగకపోయినా ప్లీజ్ గో వాచ్ Alluda Others. కన్నడ డాలి means?
Dolly means what?
I
What
don't
Dolly?
know. How will I know? I thought it's some.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ something. ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? ತೆಲುಗು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾಳೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಲುಗಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ఓకే సో
And మీరందరూ మా లిరికల్ సాంగ్స్ విన్నారా? ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యు నో.
విచ్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ సాంగ్?
My favorite song is Nadila and I like Padipoya song. It's damn cute melodies. At the same time, ఇప్పుడు రిలీజ్ అయిన దినకత కసక్రో.
One, if you just like get up in the morning, which is the one which you probably will choose? One song.
Maybe Hola Chica to bring the energy, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah, because Hola Chica, I think as soon as you hear it, పొద్దునే లేగంగానే ఒక ఎనర్జీ వస్తుంది. So maybe. So guys, please go and you know listen to all our songs. Which if you guys didn't listen to them,
Tell us which is your favorite song, no?
yeah. What do you guys like it?
Which one? We have like 5 amazing songs. One is Hola Chica.
One is
Another one is Alludu Others Style to Try, which is
Try.
my favorite. because I've danced in it.
Of course.
And
So did I.
You've danced in all the songs, okay? You've danced in Ola Chika, you've danced in Alludu Others, you've danced in Nadila Nadila, you've
Right.
danced in Dinakta Kasakru. That also you've danced. I only danced in one. That's why it's my
Why
second.
Nadira also you dance?
Little. That also like with one hand. No? Nadila Nadila. And then we have Nadila Nadila, and when we have Padipoya Padipoya, which is
And Hola Chica.
everyone saying Ola Chika Ola Chika.
Yeah, I know. Everybody likes Hola Chica. I told you right. It's trendy. It's the upbeat. It's the next level.
This Alludu Others song is nice. It seems. Thank you, Manideep.
Pika.
Manideep. Yeah. Thank you so much.
All songs are so beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking all our songs. If any of you guys didn't listen to them, please go listen to all our beautiful songs composed by the
I
one and
love
only
all the
rockstar
songs.
DSP.
DSP.
Thank you so for
Nadila
giving us such
Nadila
an
song.
amazing album.
Laudi Chauhan. Somebody.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Hello everyone.
Meghna is saying that you worked really hard
Huh?
in your account.
How sweet. Thank you so much, Meghna. So sweet of you.
So, tell me what was your tell me what was your really
But really what? Huh.
tell me more about the movie now. Which was the best part for you, like to shoot?
I think the best
Songs
part was
or
shooting, 100% songs, action, all of them we liked it, and even the one which the entertainment thing, me trailer user a horror episode untadi. That horror episode also came out really well. It has a lot of entertainment in it, and it is really fun to do such scenes. It was fun actually. It was challenging also in a way because it's not so easy to
I
pull
wish
it off.
I had seen live while you were doing it. It looked so much fun.
I know.
I was not there, no?
It was, but it was not so much fun seeing it. I'm sure about it because it was so
Hard to
much.
play.
Yeah, and
Hard to play.
I had to think a lot. How to bring it. It was tough, but I enjoyed it. As you know me, I love challenges.
You too. And
So, what did you like? Which was your favorite scene?
my favorite scene.
I mean, like, what was your
Scene.
favorite scene, and what did you really like performing it?
I really like playing this character because it has a different kind of things, and like I keep saying that I've done drunk scene for the first time.
Yeah, that was fun actually.
I was super excited to play that, and I really enjoyed playing it on.
And you really pulled it off nicely.
I did.
Do you have any experience drinking?
Little
Personal
bit.
experience?
Yeah.
You
little
have?
Little bit.
Oh, you drink?
Little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like wine or something. Everybody does. So,
I never knew this.
and I really liked all the songs. I really liked most of the stuff.
Nice. So how was it working with Sonu Sood sir, Prakashat sir, and we have lot of artists in that
Oh,
movie.
it was so much fun
Yeah, I
working
mean,
with
and
everybody.
you,
no?
the moment you came to the set, you had to tell hello to everyone on the set.
Guys, like there used to be like thousands of people on the sets, okay? So every time you walk into the set, you just like, it used to take me at least 2 hours to go and personally say hi to everybody, wish them, and come back to my. Halfway through, they used to be like, "Madam, shot ready." I'll come back, okay? I'll come back. We'll come to do that. It just be like that.
No, because
It was a celebration, like the whole.
yeah, it was like actually upon Nizanga Sankaranti, it was like Sankaranti for us every day on the set because
Yeah, it was.
there
It
was
like
so
a
many
pandora,
people on
yeah.
the set, and we all used to have a lot of fun,
Yeah.
shooting all the scenes,
Yeah,
and it was fun.
it was a lot of fun. In fact.
Yeah, Sonu Sood sir also.
It was actually a big privilege to
Yeah.
even like meet him and
exactly,
the kind of work he's done is like
Yeah, I mean, all through the pandemic, as everyone know, the kind of work and the kind of, what all dedication and his commitment towards people also is very commendable. And hats off to him. It's very rare that people actually reach out, to helping
and
each
to
other.
do it continuously.
Yeah. And
Do it continuously so selflessly throughout and even now he's continuing to do that. So.
it's very sweet of him, and glad we have privilege to work with him.
And also I think like Prakash Raj sir too, I really enjoyed working because I've been like a huge fan of him, and he's a Kannadiga too. If you've observed on the set, we used to
I know.
always sit and
You both used to talk on Kannada.
Kannada fully all the time. People were like,